There are places on this planet where time slows down and nature keeps its secrets hidden. Places where the forest does not reveal itself easily, but waits to be understood. In the heart of Vietnam, from the ancient lowland rainforests of Cat Tien National Park to the mist-covered peaks of Bidoup National Park, lies one of the most unique ecosystems on Earth. A world shaped by isolation, refined by evolution, and home to species found nowhere else. But to witness this world, you must earn it. Step by step, through dense foliage, under shifting light, guided only by instinct and the faintest sounds of life. This is not just a search for birds. It is a test of patience, of silence, of presence. Because here, nature does not perform. It reveals. Before the birds comes the voice of the forest. High above the canopy, the haunting calls of the yellow-cheeked gibbon echo through the trees. An ancient sound, carried across generations, reminding us that we are only visitors here. And then, in a fleeting moment, the forest answers. A movement, a flicker of color, a presence. These are Vietnam's endemic birds, species born of isolation, evolved in silence, perfectly adapted to a world few will ever see. Each one extraordinarily rare. Each one impossibly beautiful. Each one carrying a story millions of years in the making. Some emerge only for seconds. Some remain shadows, never fully seen. And some reward only those who are willing to wait without expectation. Hidden within these forests, a different kind of patience unfolds. Inside the stillness of a hide, time stretches. Every rustle becomes a signal, every shadow a possibility. And when that moment finally arrives, it is not just captured, it is felt. But this fragile world stands on the edge. These forests are shrinking, their silence growing louder. And for endemic species, there is no second chance, no second forest, no second home. If they vanish here, they vanish forever. And so, this journey becomes something more. Not just exploration, but responsibility. Not just observation, but awareness. Because in the end, these forests are not just places we visit. They are living archives of evolution, keepers of stories yet untold. And their survival depends on what we choose to protect. Vietnam's forests are not just beautiful, they are irreplaceable.